So what is the use of loops on the iPhone? Let me explain that. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Anyways, there are two main parts of this. The looping can be found either inside of the Photos app where you can loop photos or live photos, and it might as well be part of the GarageBand for music production. And so if we go to the Photos app, you can notice that we can find the live photos selection. And it just means that these are the photos which contain some sort of movement and motion attached to that photo, and you can tap on the effects selection and choose it from the regular live photo into the loop photo, which means that the movement captured there will be looped like this. So this is the first way where you can find it. But there are also more ways of looping videos, like you have the loop feature inside of the YouTube videos player. So if you play a video on full screen, you can click on more options and essentially decide to loop that video. So that's another use of that feature, right? So that's something which you might be interested in too. But when it comes to the GarageBand, there are live loops and Apple loops inside of there, and it's like a system for playing and arranging musical ideas in real time. It's called Loop there. You kind of have to be like a little bit more professional with it to play around with that, but just know that it's like a primary way of using the GarageBand for music creation inside of the iPhone. So that might be something which you are referring to as well. But as well, the next thing would be that if you look it up inside of the App Store, you'll see so many apps which are called the Loop, and there is the Microsoft Loop and so many other apps, which is, well, it's really extensive of how many apps are actually called Loop, right? So yeah, there are so many other types of apps which are also called this way. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to explain the main blueprint behind it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community so you don't miss anything important. And that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.